Hi everyone! Happy weekend! Happy Saturday! Kumusta kayo? I am called to do a general love reading right now. So, hindi muna tayo magpipick a card reading. Okay, so gagawa muna tayo ng magkasunod na general love reading. So, tingnan natin ano yung mapipick up natin na energy when it comes sa inyong love section. Take what's resonate, leave the rest kung hindi mag-resonate. Okay. Energy could be vice versa. I appreciate yung iba sa inyo na nagko-comment dun sa recent upload ko na resonated sa kanila. Pero kung hindi naman, huwag ipilit, okay? Kasi maraming nanonood, hindi lang po kayo ang nanonood, okay? Hindi lang isang person ang nanonood sa reading na gagawin natin. If randomly nakita mo tong video na to, so pwedeng this video is meant, okay? Meant na makita mo, marinig mo, mapanood mo. Okay? So, tandaan, o pwedeng meron kang makuhang messages dito. O pwedeng may makuha kang advice on your current situation when it comes sa love. Okay? Sa mga nagko-comment and nagtatanong kung kailan po magkakaroon ng personal reading, next week maglalabas po ako ng instruction on how to get a personal reading. Okay. So, this is po pwedeng video siya. Okay. Na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Abangan nyo na lang po yun. Okay. So, tingnan na natin. General love reading. Love situation of my viewers. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Air sign, Libra. Gemini, Aquarius. Gagamit tayo ng iba't ibang oracle deck to dive deeper on your current situation. Okay, so start na tayo. Lord, Jesus' name, angel, my guides, divine circuits, please give me accurate reading for my viewers right now. Okay, someone here could be waiting. Pwedeng you are waiting. Okay, on a specific person. Pwedeng naghihintay ka. May hinihintay kang tao. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng inaantok or feeling tired, exhausted sa trabaho. Gustong matulog ng matulog. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nararamdaman na naiinis. So, pwedeng maraming worries right now. Okay. When it comes sa trabaho, sa finances. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Lower your volume if malakas yung pag-shuffle. Emperor, Aries, or it could be a fire sign, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. Pwedeng ikaw to, pwedeng ito yung person na ini-inquire mo or nasa isip mo. This person, meron akong nakukuha na pwede ng older person, may edad na masculine. This could be a father figure. May pagka-stubborn din, may pagka-matigas ang ulo. This could be your husband. Six of Wands, fire sign again. This person could be popular. Or merong katungkulan sa community. Could be a security guard or some kind of popularity. Or pwedeng ginagalang. Uy, Six of Cups. This is from the past. A past person. Someone here is reminiscing. A person could be from the past. Pwedeng itong person na to is naaalala or binabalikan yung mga alaala na nangyari from the past. Could be a childhood childhood crush. Could be King of Cups. Uy. You could be dealing with two person. A fire sign and a water sign. Matured naman tong water sign na to. A very matured emotionally kind of a person. A very family-oriented, loving person. If you are dealing with two person, para sa mga viewers ko, the past person could be fire sign, while the present person you are dealing with right now is a water sign. Ten of Swords. For some of you, iba sa inyo guys meron ako nakikita na meron ditong someone na Ten of Swords ang nararamdaman niya kapag inaalala niya yung past. O pwedeng nasaktan or masakit yung memories from the past. Could be a LGBTQ. A male, dealing with a male. Or, meron akong nakikita take what's resonate guys. The past person is a fire sign which is a popular person. While your present right now is a water sign which is kababata mo or kilala mo tong person na to. You are dealing with two people or two person. Someone here is feeling hurt or binitray. Meron akong naramdaman dito na yung isa is parang feeling niya binitray siya or niloko. Lovers card, the lovers. Signify this is about a love, a partnership, a relationship, a commitment, a marriage. Maybe other one is divinely guided. Okay. Pwedeng soulmate yung other person. Aquarius, the star. Uy! Eight of Swords again. Air sign. Someone here is hindi makatulog. Hindi makatulog. Kakaisip. Ten of Swords and Nine of Swords. Sleepless nights. Pwedeng bad dreams or ano nga ba tawag dito? Bangungot. Hurt over a situation, a painful ending or a painful situation, a betrayal nga. Okay. Could be a third party situation. Clarify Emperor with the Ten of Swords, please. Give me one card. Clarified Emperor with the Ten of Swords, please. Thank you. Uy! Nine of Wands. Fire sign again. Someone here, kung sino man yung Emperor dito, is guarded right now. Kasi doon sa nangyari, na betrayal. Okay. Clarify the Six of Wands. Oh, Five of Cups. Meron ditong person na in regret over a love situation. In deep regret, in hurt. Nagpapakatatag over a situation. Wishing a star. Aquarius. Water sign. Clarify Six of Cups with a star, please. Clarify Six of Cups with a star. Okay. Clarify Six of Cups with a star. Meron ako narinig, you could be o pwedeng dalawang person ang iniisip mo right now. A fire sign and a water sign. Clarify Six of Cups with a star, please. Uy. Oh. Waiting, impulsive, message. Eight of Cups. O pwedeng, it could be, tinalikuran. Meron ditong tinalikuran, nilayuan, iniwanan, inabando na. Oh. Five of Swords, air sign. Okay. Clarify King of Cups with Nine of Swords. King of Cups with Nine of Swords, please clarify. Okay. Alright. Oy! Six of Swords. Okay. Ano yung nakukuha ko dito, guys? Bottom of the deck is Eight of Pentacles. 2, 4, 6. Oh, Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Once, ano yung nakikita ko dito? Maybe, from the past, itong person na to, okay, na nakadeal mo from the past is a popular kind of a person. Mataas ang tingin nito sa sarili niya. Itong person na to is, ano yon, gusto niya lagi nasusunod. This is in a very controlling or may authority na kind of a person. Okay. Kapag sinabi niya, sinabi niya. Ito yung person na to. Kasi nga, po pwedeng meron tong posisyon, may kind of popularity, po pwedeng egoistic kind of a person, okay. This person feel ngayon at nararamdaman is in a Ten of Swords energy right now. Why? Po pwede kasing nalaman niya na you are dealing with a new person right now. Meron kang kadil na new person ngayon. This new person is po pwedeng kakilala mo, kababata mo, o kaibigan mo, o naging katrabaho mo na nanliligaw sa'yo ngayon. Okay. Itong person na to, from the past, is nasaktan or nasasaktan siya. Okay? Kasi feeling niya, binitray mo siya. May betrayal na nangyari dito. Feeling niya, naloko siya. Okay? Or nagsisisi tong person na to. Itong person na to from maybe pwedeng this is a from the past ha. Pero kasi dalawang scenario kasi nakikita ko dito, okay? Itong person na to is crying over a relationship or commitment na po pwedeng nag-end na. Kasi meron akong nakikita dito na na guarded tong person na to. While the other person naman, okay. Po pwede, ito yung kadil mo naman, ngayong present. Itong person na to is po pwedeng kababata mo or from the same neighborhood kung nasa saan ka. Okay. Po pwedeng kababayan mo. It could be. Itong King of Cups na to, emotionally mature tong person na to. Uh, Mapagmahal and may simpatya to sa ibang tao at sa pamilya niya, sa mga taong mahal niya. Okay. Kaso nga lang, itong King of Cups na to, right now, is having a sleepless nights. Kasi po pwede sigurong hindi mo pa tinatanggap yung cup nito na inio-offer sa'yo. Okay? This King of Cups is, siguro nag-aalala tong King of Cups na to. Okay? Nag-aalala tong King of Cups na to na baka hindi kayo same page. Okay? This King of Cups is gusto niyang siguro maging maging okay kayo. Maging same kayo ng nararamdaman. Hmm. Offer a cup of love, okay. Page of Cups with a Eight of Pentacles, okay. O pwedeng katrabaho mo yung isa. Itong King of Cups. Or po pwedeng you are busy working. Okay. Right now. Or if you are dealing, sabi ko nga, with two person. Okay. Yung isa is meron kang history. Oo. Or karelasyon mo na yung isa, while the other one is parang katrabaho mo or kababata mo, kaibigan mo, could be a friend, okay, a soulmate, meron ako nakitang katrabaho. Itong katrabaho na to, is siguro nakikita niya na you are dealing with this Aries or itong fire sign. Okay? This King of Cups is po pwedeng may gusto sa'yo. Pero siguro in relationship ka ngayon sa fire sign. So take what's resonate, guys ha. Inilalapag ko lang kung ano yung mga energy and situation na nakikita ko. Okay? O pwedeng itong King of Cups na to is having a sleepless nights kasi nga gusto niya, kumbaga parang same page kayo. Kumbaga may gusto kasi sa'yo to eh. Po pwedeng itong person na to gusto kang offeran ng emotion. Okay. Kaso nga lang, po pwedeng, po pwedeng alam niya na you are dealing right now or in relationship ka pa. It could be. And this King of Cups is holding yung emotion niya, yung mga gusto niyang sabihin. Sa sarili niya na lang muna. Yun ang nakikita ko. Being sneaky, okay? Could be. Uy, juggling. Okay? So, po pwede ngang juggling sa dalawang person. Okay? Po pwede sigurong yung isa is nasa malayo. Po pwede ha. Okay. So, po pwedeng yung isa malayo or nasa malayo ka, it could be. Okay, and you are feeling helpless right now kasi nasa malayo ka. You're in the Eight of Swords energy, okay? Three of Swords, heartbreak. So, So, naguguluhan. Meron ako nakita naguguluhan, juggling sa dalawang person. Okay, so tingnan pa natin. Pwedeng baka meron akong nakikita dito, it could be ka-live-in mo to, itong isa. Pwedeng asawa mo. Kaso kasi may nakita ko ditong, siguro nasa ibang bansa ka. Meron akong nakita nasa ibang bansa ka. Oh, nasa malayo. Kaso, itong isang person na to, itong Aris na to, na crying over a spilled Three of Cups, siguro ayaw mo na sa kanya. This person feels binitray siya. Ten of Swords, meron ako nakikita. Okay. And you are dealing right now with a kababata now or a new person. This person is kababata mo, kababayan mo, or kalugar ninyo. Okay. Pwedeng a childhood, pwedeng childhood crush, childhood sweetheart. Okay. Oo. And siguro, itong person na to, which is the fire sign, is aware. Aware siya na you are dealing with right now with another person. Yun ang nakikita ko ha. For some of you, take what resonate. And siguro tong King of Cups na to is gusto niya na kunin ka na doon sa fire sign. Siguro nag-aalala siya having a sleepless nights itong King of Cups na to kasi siguro inaalala niya mamaya baka bumalik ka doon. It could be this is a live-in nga or asawa. Pwedeng asawa. Okay, pero wala kasi ako nakikita dito na na married. Pwedeng ka live-in or ka-partner mo, ka-relasyon mo. Pwedeng may anak kayo nito. So, take what's resonate, guys, ha. So, tingnan pa natin. Makukuha nating energy in this situation. Guys, wag kayong magtataka ha. Kapag dalawang magkasunod na upload yung i-upload ko. You are welcome na panoorin parehas. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Kung meron tayong makukuha. Oh. I want to tell you the truth. Reveal card. For some of you, it could be hindi pa alam nung isang person. Nararamdaman niya lang. Okay. Hindi pa alam ng kung sino man dito sa dalawang to na kung sino man yung feminine dito na dealing with two person or two masculine. Hindi alam ng isang masculine na ayaw na sa kanya. It could be na gusto mo na siyang hiwalayan kasi meron ka ng bagong kakonekta. Pwedeng ganon, pwedeng bagong person. Or meron ka ng nakakausap. And pwedeng this is hindi iba sa'yo. Matagal mo nang kilala, childhood sweetheart, pwedeng ganon. Soul tie, I always feel connected to you. Meron akong nakikita dito na pwedeng itong water sign na from the past or kababata, kalugar, matagal mo nang kakilala, pwedeng kaibigan, okay, na gusto kang snatch doon sa relasyon, sa kaugnayan mo before, kung meron ka mang partner or domestic na kasama. Okay? Siguro, kung sino man yung soulmate mo dito, kasi itong merong Six of Cups, it could be this person or this King of Cups is your soulmate. Okay. This person is your soulmate. Yung isa sa kanila, soulmate mo. Pwedeng itong si King of Cups, pwedeng si fire sign. Pero meron kasi ako nakikita dito na it could be this King of Cups is yung soulmate mo. Oo. Tapos itong fire sign is yung in relationship ka. This soulmate is nararamdaman niya, it could be you if you are the feminine, na connected kayo sa isa't isa. Okay? Again, soul contract. The lessons I learned from us will never be forgotten. Someone here is a soulmate. Meron kayong past life nitong person na to, while the other one could be a twin flame. Pwedeng twin flame. Okay? Or a karmic. Pwede. It could be. So, tingnan pa natin. Siguro yung isa dito, hindi niya, nararamdaman niya yung intense ng connection with the other person or dun sa feminine niya. Kaso nga lang, hindi niya masabi pa ng buo yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi, alam niya siguro na in relationship pa siya or connected pa yung girl or yung feminine doon sa kadil niya na fire sign. It could be. So, tingnan natin. Escape. I left when things got hard. Ooh. Someone here running away. Nag-eskapo. Nag-escape. Pwedeng yung isa nga twin flame mo, tas yung isa soulmate. Holding back. I should have expressed myself better. Someone here is not expressing yung nararamdaman niya dun sa other person. Kaya meron akong nakuha dito na energy na merong nahihirapan dito. Meron ditong gusto nang mag-confess, gusto nang mag-reveal ng nararamdaman, kaso hindi pa niya magawa kasi nga, maybe alam niya na yung isa is meron pang kadil, dealing with other person pa. May nakuha akong confession dito ha. May gustong mag-confess kasi hindi makatulog. Damage. We are both hurting from this. O, diba? Kung sino man dito yung feminine na dealing with two person ha. Yung isa na alam niya sa sarili niya na parang there's a pull, hard pull sa kanya doon sa isang person kasi may past life connection nga kayo nitong person na to, kung sino man to, yung nararamdaman mo na alam mong meron kayong something nitong person na to na hindi lang mababaw yung connection na meron kayo. Alam mo na parehas kayong nahihirapan doon sa sitwasyon na meron kayo. Kasi you are dealing with a two masculine if you are the feminine here. Two situation, two person. And siguro yung isa dito nahihirapan na pumili kasi siguro yung isa hindi pa niya alam kung ano yung nararamdaman talaga nung soulmate niya or nung mahal niya. Okay? Kasi meron akong nakita dito nagpapakiramdaman. Kaso nga, paano nga mangyayari yun? Paano mangyayari yun? Kasi hindi naman nagko-confess yung isa. While the other person naman, pwede sigurong... Kasi wala akong nakita ditong naghihiwalay separation Pwedeng yung isa dito, committed ka pa dito sa isa dito sa kanila, sa isa dito sa dalawang person na to. Committed ka pa. Wala akong nakikita dito naghiwalay. See? Holding back. I should have expressed myself better. Someone here, the masculine you are dealing with, which is soulmate mo hindi nagko-confess sa'yo ng nararamdaman niya, while ikaw is holding back ka din ng emotion mo. Pwedeng meron kang partner right now, and this partner na to is feeling betray. And siguro nararamdaman niya na hindi mo na siya mahal. Meron dito naguguluhan, nag-juggle. May naguguluhan. Runner. I don't want to run anymore. Yung isa dito, twin flame, yung isa soulmate. Yung isang person, alam niya yung nararamdaman niya dun sa other person, kaso hindi siya nagtatapat, urong-sulong, indecisive. Alam niya kung ano yung connection na meron sila, nararamdaman niya kung ano yon. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya nagtitake action, hindi siya nagtatapat, holding communication, holding messages, being sneaky, hindi nagiging totoo sa sarili, unworthy. You're a better person than I am. Maybe this person thinks na hindi siya karapat-dapat para sa'yo. Bottom of the deck is reunion. We will always come back to each other. Someone here has a soul tie, a soulmate. In other one, pwedeng twin flame, or pwedeng karmic. It could be dealing with two person. Tingnan natin. Last card for message of love. Okay. Feeling unworthy. My God. Hindi nagtitake action. Detachment. I had to let this go so I could clear my mind. Pwedeng yung babae is, if you're the feminine, pwedeng yung feminine dito is nag-detach muna para makapag-isip. Meron akong nakita. Para makapag-isip-isip. Someone here, it could be the feminine here is the one letting go, or the masculine or the soulmate Guys, uulitin ko, someone here is a karmic partner or a twin flame, while the other person is a soulmate. Okay. A feminine dealing with two person. Meron ditong nag-hold back, hindi nagsabi ng nararamdaman niya. Gusto niyang i-reveal kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman niya, na nararamdaman niya na talagang may soul tie sila, na deep yung connection nila, na magkakilala na sila ng matagal, nararamdaman niya na iba yung connection na meron sila, deeper sa iniisip ninyo parehas, okay. Parehas kayong nasasaktan kasi yung other parehong meron kasi kapag sa twin flame, sabi ko nga 'di ba, runner chaser or other one is being sneaky, not telling the truth ng nararamdaman niya, being shady. Okay, kasi feeling niya unworthy siya dun sa isang person. Okay, or someone here is hindi makapag-decide kasi dealing pa with someone else. Pero alam niya yung nararamdaman niya na iba yung connection niya doon sa other person naman. Kaso nga lang, may kadil pa siya. O pwedeng in relationship siya dito sa other person or kasal siya. Po pwedeng kasal eh. Pwedeng kasal siya or sabihin nating hindi niya ma-let go eh. Kaya hindi rin siya makapagdesisyon. Kaya siguro yung detachment dito, nag-detach muna yung isa. Doon sa dalawa or yung feminine, yung nag-detach. It could be vice versa, take what's resonate, guys. Mamaya kuha tayo ng advice. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa True Emotion Oracle deck. Ano yung makikita natin? Tanungin natin mamaya sa higher self ninyo, guys. Ano yung advice na ibibigay sa inyo sa sitwasyon na to? Okay. Mind games, love bomb. Someone here is being deceptive. Being sneaky. This is a Five of Swords. Tama ba? Five of Swords. Sneaky. Shady. Not being truthful. So, tingnan natin. Sweet talk. Oh. So, pwedeng yung feminine dito or yung viewers ko masaya nakausap yung isang person or someone here is sweet talking the other person. May way sa salita. Tingnan pa nga natin, guys. Sweet talk. Clarify the sweet talk. Oh, 2 cards. Okay. O, diba? Queen B. Secure, confident, boss bitch, career focus. Someone here is a career woman. Whether siguro yung other person is feeling unworthy sa sarili niya kasi po pwedeng you are a better person than him or than this person. Okay. Divine masculine. Someone here is a divine masculine. Po pwede ha, may nakuha ako, guys. May nakuha ako na po pwedeng yung feminine natin dito. Don't shoot the messenger, guys, ha. Naramdaman ko lang naman to, ha. Po pwedeng yung feminine natin dito is being shady. Or siya yung parang alam mo yon, yung dealing with two person na yung dalawang tao nakadeal niya is hindi aware. Okay? Hindi aware na dalawa sila. For some of you ha, nakita ko lang. Tag. Clarify the tag card. Uy, romance. Tag card. Clarify the tag card, please. Tag card. Clarify the tag card. Tag card. Tag. Oh, twin flame. Twin flame. Twin flame card is here. Ano sabi ko? Someone, yung isa, twin flame mo. Yung isa, soulmate mo. Tracking, locating, coming towards on a specific place. Okay. GPS tracking. Oh. Happy single. Uy. Happy single. Okay. What I see here. Doing you, dating, stress-free, setting goals, career focus. Okay. For some of you, you are detaching right now. Okay. You are detaching right now on this two person. You escape dito sa dalawang person na to. Nag-detach ka. Nag-let go ka. I had to let this go so I could clear my mind. Nag-let go ka, nag-detach ka. Why? Kasi siguro, nai-stress ka. You want to stress free. Pwede sigurong sumakit na yung ulo mo kasi hindi mo na maintindihan yung connection na meron kayo. Nahihirapan ka kasi hindi ka makapag-decide. Okay? And siguro naisip mo na you are focused na lang muna sa career. Mag-focus ka na lang muna sa career. Ngayon. Secret accounts. Maybe yung isa dito sa dalawang person na to is looking at you sa secret accounts. Okay? Or you have a secret accounts to communicate with this two person. The other one, you're using your real account, while the other one, you're using the secret accounts of yours. Okay. Guys, hindi ko kayo i-judge. Police station. Uy! The tag is here. Tag. Yung tag is nandirito, pwedeng, sabi ko kanina, yung isa is police, a security guard, a jail officer, not totally sinasabi ko na this is a criminal. Pero this emperor or this fire sign is working as a police officer. For some of you, take what's resonate. Okay. This fire sign could be a my way or a highway, egoistic, Okay. An author, alam mo yon yung, okay. Yung pagka-authority, ano? Yung pagka-dominante. Closing this cycle. Okay. Maybe you are closing the cycle for this vote muna. Kasi gusto mo sigurong mag-focus muna sa sarili mo. Pero maybe you are soon receive a love message. Okay? Love message, whether a goodbye message. You will soon receive a love message, a goodbye message. Maybe the other person is looking at searching. Maybe the other person is looking at you, searching for you using a secret account. Okay. Other person is a twin flame, while the other one is a soulmate. Runner and chaser. Could be you are the runner and this person is the chaser. Meron kang ma-receive na love message because someone is revealing something sa'yo. Okay? It could be using a different account kasi siguro naka-block. Naka-block yung person na to sa'yo. So, kuha tayo ng higher self-advice for my viewers. Guys, you are free to, to donate on my channel para lang doon sa mga tinatawag, okay, na mag-donate. Okay, hindi po to sa pilitan. Okay, hindi to sa pilitan, guys, ha? Okay. Future higher self-advice. Okay. Ano ba yung advice sa'yo ng angel mo, ng guide mo, ng spirit guide mo, ng divine, okay. Or ng higher self mo on your situation right now. Fear. Expecting the worst. Afraid of failure. Wasting time on negative thoughts. You could be overthinking, okay, on this situation, or itong person na tong dalawang to is overthinking, merong sleepless nights dito. Be open to change. Be receptive to new experiences. Change leads to growth. Be open to change. Self-awareness, tapping into your higher self. Questioning routines and pattern. O pwedeng you need to recognize if you are having a toxic patterns. Okay, na paulit-ulit na ginagawa. Oo. Kasi mamaya hindi ka aware. O pwedeng sa mind mo, you are on palaging nag-iisip ng negative, fear. Okay? Give me 3 cards. Last 3 cards for higher self-advice for my viewers. Sacrifice. Giving up something now for future reward. Sacrifice. Siguro, kailangan mo nang isacrifice sa mga bagay-bagay para ayusin mo na yung kanya-kanya yung buhay. Evaluation. Feed out what doesn't serve you. Reevaluate the situation. So, self-awareness, being receptive, and an evaluation card is somehow connected sa isa't isa. Okay? Be aware on the patterns or toxic behavior na meron ka. Evaluate the situation. Re-evaluate the situation. Tingnan mabuti yung sitwasyon. Okay? Kung kailangang i-let go na, kailangang bigyan pa ng pansin, kung siniserve pa ba nito yung higher purpose mo, okay? Or napipigilan ka ba nito sa mga dapat mong gawin? Communicate. Receive and express the truth. So, kung ikaw yung hindi pa sinasabi kung ano yung dapat sabihin, doon sa dalawang person naka-communicate mo, hindi mo pa sinasabi yung dapat na sinasabi mo, you are being sneaky, okay? Kasi natatakot ka, you are fearful na baka hindi maging maganda yung kalalabasan kapag nagsalita ka, nagsabi ka ng totoo, nag-express ka ng emotion mo. Ang sabi nga doon iwasan mo yun. Okay? Kung ano man ang mangyari, edi, alam mo yun, yung maging positive ka na lang na yung pagsasakripisyo or kung ano man yung maging outcome nun is merong future reward. Okay? Maging open sa change. Kung hindi man umayon sa gusto mo yung mangyayari, if ever man na sabihin mo parehas sa kanila na you are dealing with two person or dalawa sila na kinakausap mo or gusto mong mapag-isa muna, mag-focus ka muna sa career mo, walang mawawala. O sabihin mo, communicate. Okay? Bottom of the deck, leaf of faith. Taking a risk, stepping into the beauty of the unknown. Love the unknown. Okay? Huwag kang matakot. Kung kahit na sabihin mong nalaman nyo na by this reading na itong person na to is soulmate mo pala or this person na to na-confirm mo na twin flame mo pala o tapos nagtapat ka na parehas, dalawa sila na kadil mo, parehas mong gusto, ayaw mong mawala yung isa sa kanila, huwag kang matakot. Sacrifice. Be open to change. Walang mawawala. Di kung halimbawang nag-let go yung isa sa kanila, di fated yun na mangyari. Diba? Kahit pasabihin natin twin flame mo yun. Okay? So, guys, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Itong reading natin na to, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Like this video. Leave a comment. I really appreciate yung mga nagko-comment na resonated sa kanila. Okay? And dun sa mga may request pa po or asking na gumawa ako ng reading about on a specific topic, like meron akong nabasa nito sa may recent upload ko na nagtatanong siya kung bakit naguguluhan. Okay, sige. Tingnan natin later. Bakit naguguluhan? Yung isang person doon sa nangyayari. Okay? So, maraming salamat guys. Happy Saturday sa inyo. Magandang gabi. Okay, salamat sa panonood. Abangan niyo yung mga susunod pang upload ko sa aking channel. Maraming salamat. Bye!